Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be putting some new wheels onto the S3. In the previous video I picked up some new wheels and I sent one of them off to go get repaired because it had a little buckle in it, and I've just received a text that they're all good to go. So we're gonna head off and go pick that wheel up right now. Just filling this thing up with gas before we head out. I haven't put this thing up since the weekend, so it's gone pretty well. Thank you, man. Have a good day. Thank you. Alrighty, so we got the wheel repaired. We're gonna chuck it in the back of the car now and then head back to the shed. We are now back at the shed, and I'm sure you guys are very curious what wheels I decided to go with for the S3, and I'm gonna show you guys now. I got a set of RPF ones in 5x100. This is a 17-inch rim by a 8 wide and plus 45 offset. The tires are pretty much bald, so I'll need to get some new tires for these, but I'm very curious what these wheels look like on the S3.
It's been a long time and I miss this feeling. It feels like freedom, it feels like healing. Floating off the floor, past the ceiling. The wind in my hair, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel as I'm taking flight. Man, I'm feeling like myself again. Hey, man, I'm feeling like myself again. It's been a long time and I miss this feeling. It feels like freedom, it feels like healing. Floating off the floor, past the ceiling. The wind in my hair, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel as I'm taking flight. Man, I'm feeling like myself again. Hey, man, I'm feeling like myself again. Angels fascinated, reporting back to the maker. I'm emancipated, blow a kiss out the neighbor. Saying bye to Felicia, saying hi to Miss Parker. I was in the darkness, didn't stop me shining though. I was at the bottom, but it didn't stop me climbing though. Talents, we ain't hiding those. Cookout, I'm providing flows. Homie, you invited.
Alrighty, so the wheels are finally on. I love the way that these wheels look on the car. The only issue obviously is the way it's sunken in the rear, so it definitely needs maybe an inch spacer in the rear, and then maybe, I don't know, maybe 20 mils, 30 mils in the front. Overall, this thing looks much better on these wheels than the stocks for me, especially when they've been painted black. I'm not a big fan of black wheels, so this looks really good, and it complements the other little chrome pieces like the headlights and the side mirrors and the little side indicators. I think they look really good. I have a couple center caps to put on these things. I don't have the original NK ones. I found some VW center caps that'll work. I mean, this thing practically is a VW, so I thought it was fitting. I'll chuck those on now. These center caps are only quite temporary. I just thought I'd give it a try and see how they look. And of course, we need to lower this thing, so stay tuned for that. That will happen along the line. Probably not right now. It's definitely in the plans. I'm looking at some coilovers and seeing what options I have. This thing will look really good lowered. They're a little bit hard to find a 17-inch rim, especially in a 5x100. What do you think, Bob? You like them? They look good. Yeah, I really do like these wheels. Just really needs a spacer in the rear because they look almost like stock wheels. Either way though, much better than what was on it before, so I'm very happy with the way that these things look, and it's gonna feel a little bit faster seeing as they're much lighter than the stock as well. Alrighty guys, so if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more from this channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Give it to me.